What's going on? Welcome back to Hooked. Today we are at the the south end of Lake Kaweah. Say hi to the boys, people.
Hello. Hi.
We don't really know what bait is required for this spot, but it's cool looking water. It's the boys' last few days visiting California, so we're gonna try to catch some. Make sure you hit that bell or subscribe or comment. And let's see if we can catch something. All right, well, we got our line all rigged up, ready to go. Again, we haven't fished here before. All I know about California river type fishing or creek fishing is alga mites, I think they're called, little caterpillar type things, and then power bait. All we got is power bait, so we're gonna use some power bait and try our best, boys.
Hi guys, so we found this fishing line from a random place over there, and if we get tagged by that fishing pole, we can grab a chicken to fish because we have it clean.
We can grab a stick
And then,
and then use that fishing line to fish with a old-fashioned fishing pole. I like it.
yeah.
Got a little worm action, little power bait, little fake salmon eggs. Give it a shot. You can see where that went.
These are some fun facts about Lake Kaweah. Lake Kaweah was created due to the building of the dam in 1962. The dam was built shortly after the Great Flood of Kaweah River in 1955. Another interesting fact, we've been here for 30 minutes and we still got no bites. This looks like an axe head. See, just look at that beauty.
Well, we didn't catch anything out here at the south end of the Kaweah Lake Kaweah, but we do have some hot dogs with a cool little burner we got from Amazon for a bug out bag. Comes with the base of it at the bottom, folds out all the way. These fit right in there. Set it down, and you got this bad boy, little burner. It's got the adjustment on the side for bigger or smaller flame, and we're going to whip up some roadie hot dogs, some glizzies, boy. Let me get some.
A lazy.
Ketchup, anyone?
Yes, ketchup, please.
All right. This thing, I've never used it before, but it's one of the coolest little contraptions ever, man. It's pretty cheap too. It just comes with this base and the actual burner itself. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. Depending on your situation, that's not too bad. It's got a little pan, got from, I don't remember, had it for a long time, but works just fine. Bubbling them up, get some crisp on them, some classic dogs, and then head down to the lake, boys. Shape of that sucker. Hold on, Bubba. It doesn't look skippable. Don't make it skippable. Back up, buddy. Go skip the next one. Look at that. Didn't look skippable at all. You can skip any rock. I'll show Brody skipping one. nailed it, dude. Observation. Hey, you still got one skip out of it. Find better skipping rocks. All right, well, no fish, nothing at all. None biting our leg. Oh! Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Nothing in the water. We're just enjoying it by this little dock.
Nothing in the water but us.
And Lake Kaweah, and probably a lot of Brody and Waylon pee by now.
Yeah, we do.
Never happened. Don't know what you're talking about. But we're gonna enjoy this beautiful lake and this water. It's nice and cool. And then, yeah, we'll probably catch you guys on the fish side, huh?
Yeah.
Later. All the way. Keep going. Go. Sick, dude.
Dad, I wanna jump.
Sending
I
it.
can see. I wanna jump.